Good morning, students. In this lecture, we will be looking into the essay India's Women, the Mixed Truth by Amartya Sen. First of all, let's have a look at the author. So, who is Amartya Sen? Amartya Sen is a Nobel laureate in economics. So, when did he won Nobel Prize? It was in 1998 that he won Nobel Prize. He was born in a Bengali family in 1933, and his father was a chemistry professor. He was educated in India and abroad and was professor of economics at many major universities including Cambridge and Harvard. So if we look into the educational phase of his life, we could see that Sen had his education in India as well as in abroad. He was also professor of economics. He taught at many major universities and that included Cambridge and Harvard also. He has also taught at Jadavpur University, Calcutta, the Delhi School of Economics, the London School of Economics, and Oxford University. So, apart from Cambridge and Harvard, he also taught at Jadavpur University of Calcutta, the Delhi School of Economics, the London School of Economics, and Oxford University. He says about himself that I was born in a university campus and seem to have lived all my life in one campus or another. From this it is clear that he spent most of his life learning and teaching at various universities. He has made significant contribution to social and political theory, philosophy and economics. So, the important contributions made by him was not only in the field of economics but also in the areas of social and political theory and philosophy. His economic theories are known to be practical and provide keen insights. So his economic theories are practical and these theories provide an accurate and deep understanding. Sen has regularly voiced the difficulties faced by women in patriarchal societies, arguing that certain societies have created a massive gender issue by giving more privilege to the male child. So Sen expressed his opinion about what the difficulties that are faced by women in a patriarchal society, that is, male-dominated society. So what was his argument? He argued that by giving more privileges, that is, advantages to the male child, certain societies are thereby creating a gender issue, that is, gender means a socially constructed divide between men and women. He is considered to be one of India's foremost intellectual and economist and continues to be honored as a prominent intellectual of the modern world. So he is one of India's most prominent or important intellectual and economist and still is. The essay India's Women, the Mixed Truth 2013 was published in the New York Review of Books. So where was this essay published? In the New York Review of Books. And when was it published? It was in 2013. Sen discusses some of the possible reasons for violence against women in India. So let us look into the reasons given by him. He believes that female schooling is one of the most liberating factors in reducing gender discriminations in general. So education, that is educating female, plays a major role in reducing the gender discrimination. Different aspects of gender inequality have shared links with a general disrespect for women existing in various degrees across India. So there is a general disrespect for women and the different aspects of gender inequality have shared links with this. There is a need to mobilize active public support of gender equity. It has proved to be very effective where this has been tried. So there is a need to mobilize. So there must be an active public support of gender equity. That is, there must be an active public support for what? Gender equity. That is equality of gender. So this has been proved to be very effective where this has been. So wherever this aspect has been tried, it proved to be very successful over those regions. So this is all for today. Thank you.